What is going on today, guys? This is Justin, and today we are looking at the Facebook portal. We are going to be doing an unboxing, so I'm just going to get right into it, but we're going to see what this sucker looks like outside of the box, and we are going to open it up right now. So the whole objective here is to get this plastic off real quick, and we're going to see what this guy looks like. So I guess I didn't do my homework here. All right, guys, so we are going to use our handy dandy key for this guy right here. We're gonna see if this works better. So, yep, there we go. So it looks like we got ourselves after the plastic wrap, and then it basically looks like this. So there is the initial box, so to speak. We got our label here. I guess it didn't make it on the label, the new Facebook name. I guess it's now called Portal. It's now called Meta, but I guess they don't care about that, so that it is what it is. And I am still super embarrassed because, oh, so that is how easy it is. So now there it is, and then we're going to unbox it to come out like that. So this looks absolutely beautiful. So we got our actual product here. We got our product here. And then we actually have, we're going to put this aside for a second, and then we actually have the power cord and the power outlets. Looks like there's something on the back of this. Oh, so there's a speaker back there. So we have our power cords here. It looks like we have power cord and then maybe a stand. I don't know, but this is what it looks like out of the box, guys. And then you guys are obviously here to see the actual product. So it looks like on this side we have a camera, which makes sense, or that's actually a stand. And then it looks like we have a speaker or something right there. I hope you guys can see what that looks like, but I don't know. It looks kind of funny. And then we got our logos right here. So it says Portal right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. We'll let the camera focus. And then we got our screen on this side. So we are now going to take this out of the box real quick because you guys didn't come here just to see it with plastic on. So we are going to... Wow, this is like as new as it gets. There's like not a single fingerprint on it yet. And the answer is, wow. So I just got a ton of fingerprints on this thing. So this thing's like right out of the, it's like super new. So there we go, guys. There is a camera right down here. And there is, that's a light or another camera, I'm not sure. On the back, super fingerprinty, but not necessarily a bad thing. It just looks really clean. So it looks clean, it looks new, it just looks great. We got something right here. I think that's for a stand, and then I think this is just, I think that's a speaker or just something to hold it up. And then we can see that it just looks like this. So this is the Facebook portal, guys, in all of its pride and glory. And let's go ahead and give it a turn on after we kind of examine what it looks like on the outside. So we got ourselves a few buttons here. So I think you guys can see that, but there looks like there's buttons. I think it's just volume buttons. And then we got our mic on and off, and then video on and off. Maybe that's just a toggle. I don't know. I've actually never used one of these. So this thing looks pretty cool, guys. And let's go play around with it. So guys, this was just the unboxing and first look. But this looks super neat. And I'm actually excited to do a review on this and a how-to about how to set this sucker up. But this looks cool, guys. So this is the Facebook portal. This is the black version. And then in here, we just have our manuals and our cables. So this is just cable for power. And this is going to be the manual and just paperwork. You guys know the drill. So anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one. This was the Facebook portal unboxing and first look.